At the moment there is almost no real relationship between planning and sustainability. Sustainability mainly operates at a lower scale, you know, green buildings, maybe green factories, or maybe solar fields, or some wind farms. What we're saying is we have to look at cities in a sort of holistic way, in a integrated way. New cities, unfortunately themselves, if you really want to be honest about green planning, should not be built. The book, our first research project in China, had a few conclusions. The most prominent one was you should not build new cities, which is very sad because the book is based on this premises that China wants to build 400 new cities by 2020. Conclusion, don't build new cities, expand the existing cores. This is the most efficient way to grow your network. The system is already in place and you can reinforce it, and you can actually use your massive migration to the urban regions to make these fairly mediocre urban environments into very modern, healthy systems. So on a planning level, that's where it starts. Unfortunately, we have to deal with the reality of China. The project we're doing now, Zhaofeidian, is everything green planning should not be. That's the reality. It's been built on newly created land. It's, you know, nothing more unecological as sort of excavating land from the sea. It's completely isolated, disconnected from other major cities. It's built to accommodate 1 million factory workers that are going to be working in the fourth largest steel factory only 20 minutes down the road. So it's a weird yin and yang kind of sort of balance that they're trying to create, and for a large part it's for, of course, a sort of a marketing tool, you know, to offset the image of this steel and power plant. On the other hand, China is less cynical, as I already mentioned. This whole notion of cynicism and irony doesn't exist, so they're, at the same time, it's fairly comfortable. They're actually trying to do something good, not really acknowledging the fact that they're also doing a lot of things that are really bad.